So for my IRR, I talked about the environmental impacts of the meat industry. And when I first started, I would say I was in the low section because this is something that I'm really passionate about, and I felt that all of my arguments were kind of opinionated, like just based off my opinions rather than research. And then I moved more into the medium when I started digging into how it was affecting different parts of the environment. So I started off with just talking about like methane emissions, but then I realized that it wasn't complex enough. And so in order to finally push me into the high section, I talked about methane emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. And I pulled that from a bunch of sources from EPA and people that have been directly affected by it, which made it show that it was complex and affecting a lot of people. And I showed the significance because I used from the UN. They talked about how if we don't start trying to fix some of the environmental impacts that we've created, then it's going to be irreversible. And so that shows that it's significant and urgent.